What's what's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. You can as you can see, I'm on a new platform. I'm on a new platform. You see that you see that go live button right there? Tune in with me. Tune in with me. You hear me? Like just tune in. Twitch. Nah, YouTube. I'm gonna stream on YouTube for sure. But Twitch. But today, hold on. You feel me? Like I can go as much as I want to, cause now we lit. You feel me? So it's like now but today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video before you do anything else. I want you to hit the red button, bro. Bro, I'm dropping like content like I hit 78 subscribers in a day. In a day. That happened yesterday. Can I get 78 more? Y'all see y'all tuning in with me. Lock in. But today I'm reacting to Lil Yachty, No Vegetables. We gonna get it in, we gonna get it out. Let's tune in.
Raised on the west, I still
Hold on, wait.
32 carrots in my mouth, bitch, I ain't never ate no vegetables. I grew up in the south, raised on the
Whoa.
in my mouth, bitch. 32 carrots in my mouth.
32 carrots in my mouth, I ain't never had no vegetables. He said he grew up in the South. I grew up in the South. I eat my vegetables. We two different people.
Bitch, I ain't never ate no vegetables. I grew up in the south, raised on the west, I still on my mama house. How you on my dick is still on your mama couch. PBGR, Parisi like Gwen, I got no doubt. To my cats got from all that stepping, clear shit out. I wreck up an M and ice my hoe and fuck her mouth. I beat up the bank, I cop new chrome, I promo drink, I scratch my tires. I'm geeking with a Stacy. I call her girlfriend like Tracy. That hoe feeling insulted if you take her to a Macy's. All them empty threats from a nigga is so make believe. Syrup in my cup, keep buying Jemima, this a maple tree. Been hit every hoe that's good to go, that's why they hate me. All my stones 2 carat plus, just shake my hand, no reason that you can't freeze. And it's part these niggas keep 2 triggers if it ain't.
One thing about Lil Yachty, bro, he gonna always get off on the song, bro. No matter what song it is, bro. No matter what flow it is. Lil Yachty is one of them ones. I ain't gonna lie.
Peace. I say reflex, I've been sipping syrup all damn night.
On top of that, he make his own beats.
I've been tryna fight, but I'm feeling sleepy. My bitch upset, I got to get, I can't fuck, she gon' leave me. Bitch, leave. Bust up on your wrist, 500K under my sleeve. It's us for real, hold on, get it, go ask G's. Stay on my way, get my dukes, them reasons to grieve. He big, he tough, he bold, he buff, I bet he bleed still. And if it's all when we come through that city, roadkill. I say reflex, I've been sipping syrup all damn night. I've been tryna fight, but I'm feeling sleepy. My bitch upset, I got to get, I can't fuck, she gon' leave me. It's us. But I'm sipping syrup, that city big, he tough G's. Stay on my way, get my dukes, them reasons to grieve. He big, he tough, he bold, he buff, I bet he bleed still. And if it's all when we come through.
He big, he tough, I bet he bleeds still. Alright.
That city roadkill. I say reflex, I've been sipping syrup all damn night. I've been tryna fight, but I'm feeling sleepy. My bitch upset, I got to get, I can't fuck, she gon' leave me. It's us.
He getting off. All of your Lil Yachty songs go in for sure though, no cap. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on this video.